Hey, what's up, guys? So I just got out of this cafe right here, Ponytail Coffee, which is one of my favorite coffee shops in Chengdu. One, because the coffee is actually pretty cheap compared to, average prices. And the other thing is it's always has a good atmosphere, and the coffee is actually pretty good. So here in Chengdu in the summer, first of all, it gets super hot. Like I've already mentioned in my other videos, like honestly it feels like over 100 degrees on some days. And then it will just rain at random times. Like it'll just be a total thunderstorm out of nowhere when like it'll be raining so hard. And that will usually last for like about an hour or even less, just to cool down like the whole city. So right now, first of all, in the morning it was super hot, super moist. Like I said, Chengdu's climate is so moist, so humid. I don't really like it. And then it just rained, so it just cooled off the whole city. And now it feels pretty nice outside. And so like it just has that like afternoon just rained feeling, which feels pretty good, pretty pleasant to be walking around. Hello?
Yay.
Thank you. Yeah, you'll usually see girls dressed like that. It's called Lolita. Not really a big fan, but it's started in Japan and it just makes girls look like, I don't know, young maids. I don't know what's the best way to put that. Okay, so I just found this Chengdu dessert shop. Okay, first of all, these desserts are like Chinese desserts called bingfen, which has these small balls, like tapioca balls, like in boba, bubble tea, called tangyuan, right? And they usually put some kind of milk, like coconut milk, or another kind of like solid custard kind of thing, and fruits and a few other different ingredients like nuts and raisins and stuff like that. And so I'm gonna go over there and try to order one, and I'll show you what that looks like. And it's actually pretty tasty, and it helps you cool off in the summertime, so I really like it.
Keerad.
Hello. 扫码点餐。
对。您是在这吃还是？
在这儿，在这儿。
在这吃的话，就扫桌上的码就行。
这是属于哪种兄弟哈？属于那种。
里面有冰粉吗
？No， 没有。
没有冰粉。
没有。你要吃炒冰的话，可以点这种。这也是卖的比较好一点的。这个，这个跟这个，它这个图片是就是实拍图。
这是什么？
这个，
这个应该是跟老总的呀。
这个图片都是做出来实拍的，就长这样，对吗？
这是芒果和汤圆。
对，没有馅儿的汤圆。
Okay, so it turns out they don't have a bingfen here. So I got this other kind of desserts like a mango, coconut milk dessert with a tangyuan. So I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so that came out pretty quickly, and so I'll show you what it looks like. So, right here, it's pretty much a bowl of coconut milk, mangoes, and tangyuan, which I told you is kind of like this tapioca balls, and yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks like exactly what you'd need to cool off in the summer. Alright, just finished eating that coconut milk mango soup kind of thing. It was pretty good, a little bit sweet. I'm trying to lose weight right now, to be honest, but I thought it would be interesting to put on camera, so definitely enjoyed that. So this street over here actually leads to a university gate, and unfortunately I can't get inside because you need a face ID and you probably need to be registered as a student or a resident inside, so yeah, that's unfortunate.
Keerad.
Alright, so I guess I'll finish up the video right here. Nothing too fancy today. Just trying out a bunch of different shots and different angles to make my videos more interesting and fun to watch. So if you like that, if you like my style of videos, if you want to see a different view of modern China and all the cool stuff that I'm presenting to you through my channel, then subscribe, of course. Leave a like on the video, comment what you think so I can know what you're thinking, and I will see you in the next video.